The first step is to sign in into the Gramex IDE. Gramex, as I mentioned, is an open source low code platform using which you can build machine learning applications very quickly. And it's available at gramex.graminer.com. When you visit gramex.graminer.com for the first time, you have the option of signing in with a Google account or a Microsoft account. It doesn't have to be a Gmail account to sign in into Google. You can use any email ID to register an account with Google, or you could use a Google Domains account. Similarly with Microsoft. So if you have an existing account that's registered on Google or Microsoft, feel free to use them. If not, when you click on sign in with Google, you have the option of creating an account that lets you use any email ID to create your account. I'm going to sign in with my Microsoft account. When you log in for the first time, you'll be asked to read and agree to the terms of conditions, as well as the option of subscribing to the newsletter. Choose your options and select I agree to proceed. When you log into Gramex, you'll see a welcome message, a button to create new projects, and a set of starter applications that you can use directly or customize to your requirements. Below that is a list of projects that have been created so far, effectively apps that have been installed on your IDE instance. And these can be sorted either by the name of the project or by the time at which they were created, or whether they are active or inactive, sorted in ascending order or descending order as the case may be. You could also search for specific projects. So if I search for anything related to clustering, that filters just the projects that mention the word cluster in them, or CLU as I typed them. And you'll also see on the right-hand side a set of tutorials from where you can learn more about Gramex and a set of updates on what's new in Gramex. On the top right is also a drop-down from where you can view and edit your profile, change your preferences, or log out. When I click on the profile drop-down, it takes me to a page that has my name and contact information, as well as the projects that I've created, along with when they were last edited, the option to start or stop the container, launch the application, or deploy it, as well as to share container metrics and to delete it. I can see the total number of projects that I've created, as well as the total number of custom components that I've created. By clicking on the preferences dropdown, I can choose between two kinds of interfaces. One is a low-code interface, which is less programmatic and more friendly for the novice user. And the other is the coding interface, where we'll primarily be using code to create applications. You can choose either interface based on your preference.